Are you a little stressed? Are your kids running around like crazy hooligans? Today we are going to be making Aromatherapy Play Dough, which has the ability to calm, soothe, or uplift the wildest emotions. Hello, I'm Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials, bringing you yet another video with different ways you can use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good sitting on your shelf. So let's make something with oils. So for today's recipe, we're going to take 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of salt, just plain salt, any type of salt. And then we want a cup of colored water. Now I have these lovely neon colored food colorings, and I'm going to make lavender Play Dough, so I'm going to make it purple. Should make a nice color. Let's add another drop or two. I like bright colors. Okay, we will add that to our mixture. Then we're going to add Cream of Tartar. We want 1/2 teaspoon of that. So add that. And then 1/2 tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to mix that all together. And then we're going to put it on the stove and cook it until it forms a ball. You don't want to cook it too long or you'll end up with really dry Play Dough. Okay. So you want to stir this the entire time. Looks like we're pretty much there. And we're just going to pour it out on some parchment to let it cool. You want to let it cool before you add your essential oils or they will all flash off. I was afraid this was going to be a little too sticky, but I think it's actually going to work out pretty good. Oops. So my Play Dough has now cooled completely, and it is a beautiful texture. It is nice and soft. So we're going to take and add some essential oils now. And I'm going to add 3 drops of essential oils. I'm going to use lavender essential oil. It is very calming, soothing. It's soothing to the skin, it's soothing to the emotions, and is well known for calming. 2, 3. And then we're just going to kind of knead it in. So this recipe this is actually half a batch of the recipe I had, because I thought I would like to make various scents and colors. So it does duplicate or half it again. Really good. And then you can store it in an airtight container or a plastic bag, plastic container, glass bowl, whatever, in the fridge for months, and bring it out when you need it. And there you have Aromatherapy Play Dough. So this Play Dough is really a nice texture, and it does smell good. I can actually feel the calming already. It is very nice. You can make this in any different color. There are so many essential oils. I pulled out a few that might be nice to use. Wild orange. So lavender is known to on some kids, it gives them a little bit of a buzz. So if or it does it to adults too. I have a friend who lavender gives her lots of energy. So to calm them down, that would not be the best choice. If that is the case with your child or yourself, try a citrus, wild orange, or a cedarwood would also be another good alternative for calming. Serenity is a lovely choice for bedtime Play-Doh. This has lavender in it and many other calming oils. Lavender, cedarwood, hoe wood, lang lang, marjoram, Roman chamomile, vetiver, vanilla bean extract. So yeah, all sorts of calming oils. If I were to do wild orange, I would probably make it orange. But you don't have to. You could play, let's mix up the colors and the scents. So make it fun for the kids. Peppermint, during the daytime, is a lovely pick-me-up oil. Elevation is the joyful blend. It's a nice mood booster. Tangerine's another lovely citrus oil that I thought would be good. Spearmint, very refreshing and peaceful. Make a green spearmint. Oh yeah. There's a blend called Balance, which is the grounding blend. That would also be nice. Adaptive is one that helps you adjust to any type of event that happens. So you adapt to the situations. This one has been known for me to take me from almost in tears, pulling my hair out, stressed to the max, to literally humming a tune in a minute. I love this, love this oil, and it's extremely soothing. It has a wonderful calming smell, and I think this would be a wonderful oil to use in aromatherapy Play-Doh. What other oils can you think of? Make a comment in the comments as to what other oils you think would be great to use in essential oil Play-Doh. If you got value out of this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos each week with different ways you can use essential oils for your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.